Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be doing a new samba solo routine. We are going to be doing it in sections. We're going to start with the steps, then do the counts, and then put it all together with music. And I'll also be showing you what beginner and advanced dancers should be focusing on. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, let's go into our first count of 8. We're gonna start with our feet together and we are going to do a stationary samba walk, but to the side. We have together, right foot to the side, together, left foot to the side. From here, we're crossing the left foot in front of that right foot. We are going to do a spiral turn and we have tapping our right foot side and again to the side. And we're just putting a little pressure on that ball of the foot. Okay, let's do it with counts. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm gonna do it facing you. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's do that first count of 8 with music. Okay, let's move on to our second count of 8. We just finished with our right foot out to the side. From here we have back, side, forward. From here we hold and then our left foot is gonna go forward, ball, step forward with the right foot. Then we have a box step. Forward, side, back, back, side, forward. Now let's do it with the counts. We were here on 8. We have 1, 2, hold, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now facing you guys, we have 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do that second count of 8 with music. Okay, now putting our first count of 8 and the second count of 8 together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now facing you guys. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty guys, moving on to our third count of 8. We just finished with our right foot in front. We have a slow volta. Side and cross, side and cross. And now we are going to do a normal timed volta, but turning. Left foot in front, cross, side, cross, side, cross, side, cross. We're doing one full turn. Okay, let's do that with the counts. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. Now facing you guys, we're here with the right foot in front. We have a 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. Now let's do that third count of 8 with music. Now putting all 3 8s together, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. One more time, now facing you guys, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. Okay, last but not least, our final 4th 8th. Here we go. We just finished with our left foot in front. We have a whisk, but we are not doing a typical whisk. We're doing a ronde whisk. Cross, replace. Now right foot out to the side and cross, replace. We do 1 batucada back, and from here we have run, run, pose, hold for 1 count, and then feet together and starting from the beginning. Okay, let's do it with the counts. This was 7, 8. We have 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hold 8. Facing you guys, we have our left foot in front. We go 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hold 8. And now let's do that last count of 8 with music. Okay, let's put all 4 8s together to make that full routine. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hold 8. Alrighty, last time with the counts, guys. Facing you, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. If you're a beginner watching this video, then I suggest that you focus only on the bounce action. So right now we're gonna go through the routine. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. No bounce. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, hold, and down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now we have flat, flat, and this was no bounce. Now let's do this with music focusing on the bounce. More advanced and watching this video, I would suggest now on top of that bounce, adding some hip action. So we will be having a pelvic tilt and a Cuban action. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left, right, no hips, turn, right hip, right, no hips, left, right, hold, left, right, left, no hips, and right, and right, and right, left, and left, and left, and left. From here, I have my left hip, my right hip, and left, right, no hips, right hip back. Let's do this with music focusing on the hip action. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.